Whether you're pulling at it, twirling or touching it, there's something about this playing with hair thing that men find cute and sexy. 2. Blushing. When the girl flushes in reaction to their flirting or teasing, guys are ecstatic. They find the reaction amusing and endearing. Blushing makes girls appear naive and sensitive, making it more difficult for men to fall in love with them. Look at him while you blush to see how this movement affects him, and the emotion in his eyes will show the depth of his feelings. 3. The pose of standing on your toes while reaching for something. Guys find it irresistible, and you already know that. They take their time admiring the scenery before offering assistance. 4. Wearing a PJs. Guys appreciate girls that are dressed in their pajamas. Guys like the look because it makes you appear relaxed, innocent and cute. They want to keep you near and shield you from the outside world. 5. Using cute nicknames. Nicknames make the male feel loved and cared for. While basic nicknames like baby can make your guy pleased, he will be delighted with unique nicknames. It also enhances the intimacy and bond you have with each other. 6. Wearing reading glasses. You might notice your guy looking at you if you wear reading glasses. It's because many men enjoy seeing their female partners wearing spectacles. It appeals to them. 7. Making puppy eyes at him. A man's weakness is puppy eyes. It's impossible for them to refuse, especially when a girl makes that face. Their hearts melt when they see your cuteness and they can't say no. The puppy eyes make you appear innocent and they feel compelled to protect you. 8. Being silly. Guys think funny girls are amazing, but when you joke around with them, the vibe loosens up and everything feels more casual and easygoing. This is also true in relationships sometimes. The happiest memories are also the silliest moments. 9. Texting him first. Texting a guy first is one of the best ways to intrigue a man. When you text a man first, he will immediately notice you, because most girls simply don't have the confidence to do that. Just like nicknames, you should always be casual and carefree when texting him first. 10. Cuddling in his arms. One of the biggest things that attract a man to a woman physically is being able to cuddle with her wrapped up in his arms. Guys love it when you cuddle up into his arms and put the side of your head on his chest. This makes him feel strong and loved. 11. Play video games. Nothing beats shooting each other in the face while chilling on the couch. It just feels like she's your buddy. 12. When they get excited about their passions. People just become so much more beautiful when they believe in something, whether it's books or music or anything else. 13. Dance like no one's watching. Because it's always fun to bust a move, especially if they don't give a damn about their surroundings. 14. Looking imperfect. Girls who aren't afraid to dork out. Getting giddy about something that interests them, being silly and telling jokes. Also not afraid to go out looking imperfect. I don't care if you put makeup on, bring your smile. I guess all of these things come down to letting her true self out. 15. Being genuinely nice. There are a few women I work with that are nice. Will help people and co-workers go out of their way to do it and take their own time to do it too. 18. Kindness. It goes a long way, and I'd argue it's the best quality. As a young man, there's a lot of pressure on me to be successful, especially with all the people depending on me. I'm going to make mistakes. There are things that will make me uncomfortable, scared, and I'm struggling with insecurities on top of it all. 19. Childlike behavior. The only exception is when he is expecting ladylike and not childlike behavior. Remember, childlike and childish are two different words. 20. Laughing without inhibitions. Your face brightens and your eyes sparkle with happiness when you laugh heartily and without reserve. You appear to be lovely and vibrant. It attracts men's attention and they can't help but gaze. It makes guys happy to see their girl happy. If they're the source of your uncontrollable laughing, they'll be proud of themselves for accomplishing this. 21. Picking food from his plate. When their girlfriend takes food from their plate, most guys don't object. It's because they find this kind of behavior endearing. They enjoy the act's familiarity and intimacy. It makes them glad to know that they are able to help you in some way. So go ahead and take those chips off his plate, but don't go overboard. 22. Wearing his clothes. Keep prancing about in your boyfriend's clothing if you enjoy it when you wear their things, especially their shirts, t-shirts and sweatpants. Guys find it charming. It makes you appear both cute and sexual, making them go crazy. When your partner sees you dressed in his clothes, he gets the impression That you're implying that you're his property, which may be a tremendous ego boost. 23. Wearing sexy outfits. Wearing sexier clothing does not imply exposing more skin. Off-shoulder tops that showcase your delicate neck and shoulders as well-fitting shorts that flaunt your long legs are enough to drive your man insane. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.